mighty bird, albatross, sweet albatross, grace everlasting, home and heart, the endless ocean, the beginning of things just begun, God of the sun, span of the universe, moonlit companion of the lonely, silent lover of those without love, guardian of the long highway, sailcloth unfurled in the white wind, bird of harbour, our direction home. Crying now, tears fill the sea, wingtip pierces the edge of the sun, shadow at last is free, turns low on the ocean's rim, falls below the edge of all things everlasting. Gliding now, through the golden rays of endless light, above the crystal water, mirror of all souls, drifting too far from shore. Fortune is carried on the feathers white. Life breathes and broods there, 10 centimetres above the silver surface of the sea. Spirit sings of the fish and the bone hook so strong, that great love that shows no fear in lament or in song. Albatross sails past all sailors, lost in the darkness, lost at sea. Mighty bird knows just where to find the lights of you and me.